Mnangagwa and his Zvigananda Cartel group will definitely go. Their time of constitutional manipulation, backdoor deals, and desperate power grabs is coming to an end. Zarabena mashukubda panguva ine toona magenerals aratidza kuti akagumbuka havasi kufara nezvoitika munyika yeZimbabwe. Tobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina pahendo retired Lieutenant General Winston Mapuranga Mudanyira achiti, the people see it, the veterans see it. History is already recording it. We stand firmly with the 2013 constitutional order that is the document we fought for, played for, and defended. It is not a piece of paper to be twisted for one man's ambition or his inner circle's enrichment. We reject outright the Cap 3 madness agenda. This rushed, tainted, and unconstitutional attempt to extend terms sidestep the people and turn parliament into a rubber stamp for dynastic schemes. The madness has no place in a sovereign republic. We are going for elections as usual, direct, free, fair, and on the timetable set by the 2013 Constitution. No extensions, no parliamentary coronation, no notwithstanding clauses designed to cheat the people of their right to choose their leaders. The people will decide in 2028 and every cycle thereafter, exactly as the supreme law demands. I have said it before, and I say it again. Power is temporary, the constitution is permanent. Any attempt to place one man or one cartel above the people's will is not reform. It is treason against the very order we sacrifice to establish. To those pushing this Cap 3 readiness with cash, vehicles, and inducements, the law will catch up with you. To those who think all soldiers have forgotten their oath, we have not. To the people of Zimbabwe, stay vigilant. The struggle for genuine constitutionalism continues. Aluta continua. Thomas Kanumdai toka panguva ine na Lieutenant General Winston Mapuranga. Pinai comment section medu za fungulo enyi motu kudipa msalo pechitwa ichi. Don't subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.